Hello everyone, welcome to the Crack You video series. Hope you are doing well with your preparations. Today we are here to discuss static GK headquarters questions for TISSNET and CMAT 2022. Please do visit our website crackyou.in and you can download the previous year papers there. It would be helpful for your exam. Recently we launched CMAT crash course. It includes a day-wise schedule covering all the important topics, and the price for this is 1,999. Along with that, we are having CMAT mocks, which is rupees 299, and we are having TISSNET mocks as well, rupees 299. Link is given in description. Please do visit and enroll for these packages for your better practice. Let's check the first question. Where is the headquarters of Universal Postal Union established by the Treaty of Bern in 1874? The correct answer is A. Bern, Switzerland. Let's check the next question. Where is the headquarters of the World Chess Federation? The correct answer is Lausanne, Switzerland. Let's check the next question. Where is the headquarters of IAEA? The correct answer is D. Vienna, Austria. The full form of IAEA is International Atomic Energy Agency. Let's check the next question. Where is the headquarters of ING Vyasa Bank? The correct answer is C. Bangalore. Let's check the next question. Where is the headquarters of the Audit Bureau of Circulations? The correct answer is A. Mumbai. Let's check the next question. Where is the headquarters of BRICS? The correct answer is D. Shanghai, China. BRICS is the acronym for Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa. Let's check the next question. Match the international organizations with their headquarters. The correct answer is D. That is IMO. The first organization is IMO, International Maritime Organization. The headquarters of IMO is in London, UK. The second organization is ITU, International Telecommunication Union. The headquarters is in Geneva, Switzerland. The third organization is WFP, that is World Food Programme. The headquarters is in Rome, Italy. The last one, fourth one, IOC, International Olympic Committee. The correct answer is Lausanne, Switzerland. Let's check the next question. Where is the headquarters of Razorpay? The correct answer is D. Bangalore. Let's check the next question. Where is the headquarters of UNESCO? The correct answer is D. Paris, France. Full form of UNESCO is United Nations Educational Scientific and Cultural Organization. Let's check the next question. Where is the headquarters of RDSO, that is Research Design and Standards Organization? The correct answer is D. Lucknow. Let's check the next question. Where is the headquarters of the NBA, National Basketball Association? The correct answer is E, New York, United States. Let's check the next question. Where is the headquarters of Indian Institute of Horticulture Research? The correct answer is C, Bangalore. Let's check the next question. Where is the headquarters of National Bee Board? The correct answer is B, New Delhi. Let's check the next question. Where is the headquarters of Jana Small Finance Bank? The correct answer is B, Bangalore. Let's check the next question. Headquarters of Google is in which city of USA? The correct answer is B, Mountain View, California. Let's check the next question. Where is the headquarters of FATF, that is Financial Action Task Force? The correct answer is B, Paris, France. Let's check the next question. In which country the headquarters of PETA is located? The correct answer is D, USA. The full form of PETA is People for the Ethical Treatment of Animals. Let's check the next question. Which city housed the headquarters of UNICEF, also known as the United Nations Children's Fund? The correct answer is A, New York. Let's check the next question. IKEA is headquartered in which country? The correct answer is D, Netherlands. Let's check the last question. Which of the following pairs is incorrect for the organization and its headquarters? The correct answer is E, that is North Atlantic Treaty Organization, New York. Hope the video will help you in your preparations. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for instant notification. All the best. Thank you.